they're the little landmarks that they see as they walk, so they know that they come to the park, and then they come to the houses that are being built, and then they like running to the bridge and then listening to the echoes and things underneath the bridge. So I think they have their wee points on their journey before they even reach the actual city.
And as the poppies have come out, they've become another important part to stop at. I think they've enjoyed that.
We can't see the poppies.
Poppies are the red flowers, Mason.
Poppies are I can see the poppies. You see poppies. Wow. I'm looking at these flowers. Looking at these ones. These are just on my scrapbook. Can you hold this pen? That one isn't working. Because it's got a wee one. But a little bit of here. That's a little bit of that. These are dandies. These are floweries. Aha! Look at this. When you go this way, you gotta be really slow.
I think we were quite clear on our aims for the sessions, and that was really to look at the children's physical development and their language development, and really just the sort of group working together, cooperative skills that they need, and that, you know, some of the children have been in nursery since August, and others were just starting at Easter before we started the sessions. So for them, we've really seen them progress in all of those areas, which has been great.
You come here to get
And then we will slow down. Tap, 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 tap.
Will we do a little bit of drumming?
That's a nice noise.
I'm walking on here. I didn't read my rope.
I'll let it out for
I
you.
didn't want my rope holded. I didn't want my rope holded. I didn't want my rope.
We've definitely seen a move from children maybe playing in isolation to about week 3 and 4, where children started to play together in little groups 3 and 4.
Yeah.
Children managing quite well together.
Which has been really important for
Yes.
some of our children in particular. I think there's children who eat on the outdoor sessions that don't come to always to snack, and I think part of that is because everybody else is there, so they come and join in and then they eat because they're there anyway. But I think being outside in the fresh air, they're hungry, so actually they want to come and have something to eat, and come into that sort of close space together.
Just ask me to tell you I think they're hungry today. I think Erin's going to save some for the birds.
It's quite interesting watching the water play as well when they're out in the woods, because it's so different to the water play that they do inside the nursery or even in the nursery playground. At the nature play site, it's mud and, you know, hot chocolate and soup, and, you know, they're pretend. It really takes on the role play into lots of different areas.
Okay. What's his name?
Somebody today went and put the badger underneath, you know, in a wee hole underneath the ground, and understood that that's where it lived.
That's right.
So it's meant that the topic that we were doing in nursery, which was mini beasts, we've really been able to carry on and extend further.
Poor rabbit. He's dead.
And they show a lot of care actually for the animals as well. because that fox incident where they realised that a fox had killed the rabbit developed into, was it Jack setting up a fox trap?
Yeah, wanted to catch the fox.
Yeah, and I think that was all sort of care. And the trees themselves, that's most what they've said for most weeks, is that they really, one of the things that has made them happy is being in amongst the trees.
And Jack, did you have a happy thing today?
Yeah.
Yes, what was your happy thing?
I had a one and I had a rope and I need to find the rope and get him out away.
Right, so that was your happy thing.
Yeah.
I'm pleased about that. And a little bit sad? What happened to make you a bit sad? Oh, just really happy. That was good. I think you've liked coming to Nature Play, haven't you?
That's me at the building.
Yes, how are you feeling? Happy today? What did you enjoy today? The mud. And that's what you really wanted to do, wasn't it? And you had some clay too? Yeah. Good? Now it's fine. What was happy today? Oh, you enjoyed pulling Jack up? Here we are together, together, together. Here we are together. It's time to say goodbye.